Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the handset. Plug nothing in yet, make sure battery is above 20%, and unlock the Oppo A38 with your passcode. Then open Settings and go to Sound and Vibration. This is where media routing lives. Tap Media Output to view active syncs. This lets you see Bluetooth, wired, and cast targets. Once you see the unwanted device listed, you can act on it. You do this because changing routing here updates system audio at the source rather than per app, preventing further automatic redirection. Now you remove the current media output. Tap the active tile. If it's Bluetooth, choose disconnect or forget to sever pairing so audio won't auto-route back. For wired USB audio, safely unplug or disable OTG/audio in settings. This forces the phone to revert to internal speaker. If it's a cast device, you stop casting in the same menu. Once done, make sure no app-specific override remains. Some music or navigation apps let you pick output inside the app, so verify those too to prevent Finish by confirming audio now plays through the phone speaker. Test with a ringtone or a short video. If the unwanted output persists, restart the Oppo A38, rebooting clears lingering audio sessions. If it still reappears, reset Bluetooth or network settings. This removes remembered connections that auto-attach. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset, which removes stubborn configuration issues. If problems continue after reset, contact Oppo support or the accessory maker for firmware-side conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.